Hello, let's make grilled chicken today. Firstly, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, then little bit of salt for taste. After that, add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, then add 1 teaspoon of oregano flakes to enhance the taste. After that, add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now add few garlic cloves which is crushed, and lastly you can add a little bit of sugar, and on top of it a little bit of mustard oil, and squeeze half a slice of lemon. Now mix it well with the chicken piece and garnish it and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now on a tray add a teaspoon of butter. Now place the chicken piece over the tray and put it in the oven and grill it for half an hour. Now my chicken is ready to eat. Enjoy!